We are an exceptionally lucky bunch here at XCAR, and we get to drive some of the best cars that have ever been made. This is the award for the car that I've enjoyed to drive more than any other. There are a few that can make it on this list. The Audi R8 V10 Plus, despite not having a manual gearbox, is a phenomenal drive. It is excruciatingly fast and powerfully beautiful to match. Ploughing through dunes in the new Range Rover, thrashing through the Italian mountains in a Huayra, turning heads in a Ferrari 458 Italia, but for me there's only one car that I would want to win this, the BAC Mono. There is nothing quite like driving that car. Pulling up in a crowded place and getting out makes you feel more like a rock star than any supercar ever could, and the fact that you have to dress up like a Power Ranger to drive it makes it all the more fun. The performance alone would make this one of the most exciting cars I've ever driven, but the way it's been implemented is unlike anything else that's legal on roads. As futuristic as it looks, there are no driver aids, it's just you and the road. The sparse interior might not have a lot of modern comforts, but that doesn't matter. When you're hurling yourself down the motorway in this car, you don't care about anything else. There could be no other winner for me than the BAC Mono. What was your favourite ever driving experience, and do you think it could match up to that of the BAC Mono? Leave it in the comments below.